What the brap is up, everybody? Cody with Two Wheels in a Tent. Today's video, I'm with Johnny Mac doing some hard enduro training.
Whoa, this is slick, buddy. Woo! Yeah, baby! Woo!
Today, I just got some new designs, and I've got some coffee mugs and t-shirts that are now available. I'll leave a link below. It's a great way for you to get something cool and support the channel. So if you would like to, check them out. Otherwise, we're just going to get into the video. Appreciate you watching.
So as we're side hilling, you want weight on the peg.
Weight on the outside peg.
And the bike straight up as you can.
You got to keep your balance. So you're just driving with your front, you're going to drive sideways. Okay.
So are you farther up? Is there anything that helps?
I'll actually let the bike kind of rest weighted outside like that. So the bike's up, but my weight's on it. See that? And then I can dab.
And don't de-weight.
And then you just need to kind of decide what your weight is based on the traction you're seeking.
Okay, when you start, your back tire starts sliding down, what do you do?
Try to keep your front going where you want it.
Okay, and hit the throttle or?
Just keep steady.
Okay.
Problem is over here you slowed down on your way up. You just gotta
keep momentum.
You can sit too. You gotta do the outside peg.
Roll back. Oh boy. That looked fun. Nice.
So today was the first day I've done that wall. Normally I just go up the next rock.
Right around there?
Yeah. You can do whatever you want.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm new to a lot of these skills, and these couple days of riding were almost enough to make me want to quit riding, until I actually hit some of the obstacles.
Yeah.
Break the branch before you do it.
Cool. Following your tracks.
Why? That's my down trail.
Oh. Okay.
I told you where to go. You not listen?
I don't think so.
Really? I said drop back down with the trolley. If you want to climb this mountain, you should. That'd be a hell of a workout. Probably 10 times harder than the valley.
All right.
You want to do that?
Not really. I was just trying to make a loop.
If you follow that, I'll take you right back where you started. You can sit here and go 4 inches at a time, straight up the mountain.
I thought you were screaming, keep going, keep going.
Say a word.
You were saying, where are you going? I thought you were saying, keep going. So, I thought you were cheering me on, John. Nice. Ah, woo. Yeah, baby. Woo. Well, I got where I wanted to go, but that was not pretty. Yeah. Oh.